Welcome back to my video, guys. Yeah, I shared a sell signal to my German members, and I shared this setup on my free Telegram channel that I was expecting a buy on Step Index. So what made me call this buy? You can see I'm moving in good profit. How did I know the market to buy from this zone? So we'll be looking into all of that in today's video. Please do to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. It's my returning viewers, a big shout out to you guys for let's engage in the videos. It really means a lot. Let's do more, guys. So on Step Index, basically, before I saw these buys, I went to the day time frame. I do mention in most of my videos that whenever I want to analyze the market, I start from the higher time frame. Indices, so I can see the bigger picture, I can see the overall market structure and the market direction. So you can see on the weekly, on the day time frame, basically that the market has been selling off. Yeah, I identified this level as a key level. I spotted this level as an important level. We got the market reacting on this zone the first time, the second time. Yeah, the first, the second time, and the third time of the market coming to test this zone, we didn't really get a good buy to the upside. We got this little buy before the market pushed to the downside again. So I saw this bullish engulfing candle at this zone in the day time frame. I saw the market give this bullish engulfing candle. This gave me an information. This gave me a signal, basically, because I've seen this zone as an important zone, a zone that I've always been expected in the past. You can see the massive buy from this zone. The same thing happened at this point as well. So there's a handshake of the market coming back to this zone to give us the buy. The market didn't give us a good buy, came back to this zone. So I was expecting the market to give me a second test of this our level on how it didn't give us a good buy to the upside, like giving us a double bottom formation on this our level. The buys we expected, a longer buy is expected on Step Index in the coming days. So I saw this zone, identified it as an important level. So what I did is I went to the lower time frame, the 4-hour time frame, to identify my market structure on it. So we can see that I also have this level as a level of resistance, which I spotted. So on the 4-hour time frame, basically, we can see that the market has been giving us this consolidation at this zone. This is like a consolidating structure. Before it gave us a breakout to the downside, this little breakout, a kind of a fake breakout of this our consolidation. Whenever the market gives a fake breakout, there's a high chance of the market reversing back, like giving us an original direction to the opposite way, like it broke out of this our zone. So we expect the market to give us a move to the upside, or it gave us a fake breakout to the downside. This is kind of the bear is trying to fake out those who are selling. The bear is trying to deceive the sellers, because we will be selling on the breakout of this our consolidation. They'll be like, okay, this level got retested, like we got the market break this our support level, not on resistance, break and retest, then sell off. So after the fake breakout, you can see how massive the market's pushed back inside. Market gave us a push back inside. Some people be selling on this zone. Basically, they're not really wrong on selling on this zone, but we have to wait for confirmations. We have to wait for clear market structure and clear market confirmation before we take any trade. So the market gave us a massive break-in back to this our zone. Now came to retest this our level, give us a little sell-off. So I entered on this zone. I went to the 1 hour time frame and saw that there was a double bottom formation. Basically, there was a double bottom formation at this point. Give us a low here and another low at this point, basically. So I identified this as structure, identified this market structure, and I also brought up my Fibonacci 2 to match up my Fib retracement levels from this swing low to the swing high to see this level at which the market retraced on, if it's a good retracement zone, this particular zone. So I matched it up from the swing low to the swing high, and we can see that it's a nice level, it's a nice zone. You can see the market reacting to this our 61.8 level. You can see the market bouncing off this zone. After the market gave us the rejection on this our resistance zone, it came back to our 61.8 level to give us a reversal. Retracement levels are possible level of support and resistance. Whenever we are trying to identify a possible level of retracement on an uptrend, we are trying to see our next level of support, on those levels. Like we got our 61.8 level at this point and our 50.0 level. You can see the market gave us a move to this zone and give us a reversal back to the upside, giving us this double bottom formation. The first test here, then came back to test it again, kind of a confirmation of this our retracement level. So we can see how massive the market is pushed to the upside. So what I did is that I waited for the market to give me a break and a test of this our double bottom formation. And double bottom formations are reversal patterns, they're reversal formations. So what I did is that I identified my neckline at this point. You can see I spotted it, my neckline. I waited for the market to give me a break and a test on it. So when I saw the market has broken this our neckline, all I did is I waited for the retest with some couple of confirmations on this zone for a good buy. So I took my buys and the market gave us the nice buys that we were expecting. I also matched up my Fibonacci 2 from the swing low to the swing high to spot to be sure of this my level that I identified as my buy zone if it's a nice retracement level. Because don't see that it's matching up as it's 1.8 level at this point. Immediately the market came to test this our zone, it gave us a nice rejection. You can see this bullish pin by the market formed that gave us the move to the upside. So you're moving in good profit basically. You're closing some positions. I'm leaving a few to run up because this is a swing trade. I'm expecting a good buy. I'm expecting a swing buy in the coming days on step index. I'm expecting a break of this our resistance level. At least this is our level of resistance. That's our first target level. We could see further move to the upside, but short term expecting a good buy to this our level. Yeah, so that's how I was able to predict the buys on step index by identifying my levels, market structure, and working with the Fibonacci retracement zones. So do it to smash like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you're new viewer. Drop a good comment on this video, what you learned so far on this analysis and on this trade I took. And to my returning viewers, I really appreciate you guys for let's engage in my videos. It really means a lot. Let's do more, guys, and do have a wonderful day. Peace out.